Hello Mike, once again here's Eduardo send you a video for a 2019 Aprilia RSV4 1119. This is the new motorcycle just came in the market. The price is $26,454 plus taxes. It's black matte, and it comes with the wings. And this motorcycle comes with a pipe, Acra Hobby pipe already on the motorcycle. This is the 1100 factory, and it's available for sale. The other one that I was offering you to is the 2018 RSV4 factory, but this motorcycle is the special edition, the color, and they have a limited edition on number. So this is the 116 from the 125. Yeah, it's available too. If you have some more questions, as I said in the previous video, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. And the black one that you saw there, beside to the silver one, is the RSV4 1000RR in black 2018, and the price is $18,504.
I don't know. Probably taking a look around.
Thank you.